Imagine locking in double-digit returns while the rest of crypto's roulette wheel spins. Pendle's stablecoin pools are printing up to 13.8%, and price is compressing inside a falling wedge just under $4. History says wedges like this break up. My Fib map has $15 on deck. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why Ethena, Aave, and Pendle just formed DeFi most profitable love triangle. How whales loop 31% yields. And the exact 5 levels where I plan to take profit before the music stops. Remember that Pendle don't be a Kazuya tweet? It's goofy anime banter, yet the punchline matters. Flaky girlfriends and flaky APYs both break hearts. Pendle answers with UpUSDC, CSUSDO, and AI-to-USDT pools dishing 12 to 14% and settling trustlessly on-chain. That's not a fleeting farm, it's a contractually locked coupon immune to governance rug switches. Think of it as an on-chain bond desk for degenerate savers. In bear chops or bull stampedes, fixed yield is the only partner that actually texts back. That idea is our anchor for everything else you'll see in this video. Slide to the sketch that labels Ethena, Pendle, and Aave as Ethena. Ethena mints $3.5 billion of synthetic dollars. Pendle captures 57% of that as PTSUSD. Aave then rehypothecates 70+% as collateral. 3 protocols, 3 revenue streams, 1 flywheel. A saver starts with plain USD earning around 4% on Ethena, converts to PT on Pendle for roughly 7.5%, then loops on Aave for still thicker yield. Frictionless composability creates a triple reward stack centralized finance cannot match. Picture the DeFi Llama chart. On May 29th, $3.8 billion worth of positions matured. Total value locked, cratered 11% intraday, yet within a week it clawed everything back and kept climbing to about $4.9 billion. The rebound proves 2 things. First, sticky demand for predictable income survives shaky markets. Second, Pendle's shift towards stablecoin coupons makes it less sensitive to Ethereum's mood swings. Builders get revenue they can forecast. Traders like us get confirmation that dips are for accumulation, not capitulation. Zoom into Marchin's post. Weekly trading smashed a record $1.4 billion while total value locked logged $5.3 billion. It took 2 full years to crawl from zero to its first 100 million. Now, it's adding 100 million every couple of days. That hockey stick curve echoes Uniswap's run before its 2021 blow-off top. Volume plus attention plus liquidity plus optionality equals the virtuous cycle every protocol prays for. If the pendulum keeps swinging this hard, price will not stay single digits for long. GLC's revenue bar chart shows monthly fees already topping $2 million halfway through June. 2 core drivers, TVL expansion and a take rate hike from 3 to 5%. Because 100% of protocol revenue flows to vePENDLE lockers, real yield APR rises alongside. In May, staking providers banked $1.1 million, plus $2.5 million in partner airdrops. June's pace screams new high incoming. More total value locked, higher take rate, bigger pie slices. Passive income seekers now have a direct on-chain alternative to junk bond ETFs. Pull up the new pools slide. AG Ethereum, Uni Ethereum, CM Ethereum on Mantle, even WCGUSD on Base, all rolling into fresh December or June maturities. The constant churn of coupons keeps farmers recycling capital inside the garden instead of cashing out. LP rewards kicked in already, and vePENDLE voting is live. Translation: emissions migrate to pools whales crown. Watch the votes front-run the APR spike, and thank me later. Swipe to the meme bell curve. Regular folks park USDS in Sky Savings rate for 4.5% APY. Our smarter-than-average user tokenizes yield as PTUSDS at 8%. Then he marches to Contango, loops the PT 5 times, and walks away with 31.5% plus Contango points that could morph into another airdrop. Same price exposure, sevenfold cash flow. Yes, liquidation risk rises, but Pendle's money Lego superpower turns fixed coupons into leverageable building blocks. The addressable market graphic shows 3 bubbles. Pendle V2 $30 billion total addressable market, Boros multiplying that by 10, and Citadel pointing at a mind-bending $500 trillion if perp funding rates and Dow treasuries migrate. Kino pegs Boros at $2 million revenue in year 1. Citadel could onboard Solana's $9 billion total value locked or tons Telegram user base, while HyperEVM unlocks modular scaling. Buying Pendle today is like grabbing an out-of-the-money call on every untapped yield stream in crypto, and perhaps traditional finance, too. Now, to the chart you came for. Price broke the December-March downtrend, then rallied, and now is grinding inside a descending wedge. Volume profile shows a fat node around $3.85, exactly where candles are wrestling. Supertrend stays green, and Heikin-Ashi RSI just reset to neutral. My battle plan: accumulate in the green demand box and invalidate on a weekly close below $2.90. Add ladder exits at $5 to de-risk, then $6, $7, $10, and finally $15. 5 exits, 1 stop. Reward dwarfs risk. If we get the breakout, I'll peel 25% at the first 2 profit targets, unload half at target 3, and leave a moon bag for the 10 to 15 zone. Should the wedge fake out, I'm happy parking in stables until sub 3. Either way, I keep stacking vePENDLE because the real yield flywheel doesn't care about daily candles. That dovetails with the frameworks I unpack step by step in my eBook DeFi Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide. It's only $5, cheaper than your shitty Starbucks coffee, and it walks you through staking, liquidity pools, and wallet security so you never use DeFi blind again. Link is pinned in the top comment. Pick it up and turn volatility into opportunity. Pendle's story is consistency, creativity, and compounding. Traits markets reward over time. If today's deep dive helped you spot the next asymmetric bet, punch that like button, drop your Pendle price target, and subscribe so you don't miss the follow-up. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. That was our Velodrome breakdown, and it sets the stage for the multi-chain yield race. Keep your yields fixed, your stops tight, and your outlook optimistic. And hey, comment which Pendle pool you're farming. See you tomorrow.